Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
C++ Programming Course, Lecture 02. Module 2 Variables, Data Types, and Operators. Introduction. Variables in C++, arithmetic operators, assignment operators, logical operators, type conversion and casting. Introduction. Welcome to our presentation on variables, data, types, and operators in C++. In this presentation, we will explore the fundamental building blocks of programming in C++, including variables, data types, and operators. These concepts are essential for any aspiring programmer to understand, and we're excited to share them with you today. Whether you're new to programming or an experienced developer, this presentation will provide valuable insights into how C++ works and how you can use it to build powerful applications. We'll cover everything from basic arithmetic operations to type conversion and casting, so you LL.be well equipped to tackle a wide range of programming challenges. Variables in C++. Variables are an essential part of programming in C++. They are used to store data and values that can be manipulated and changed throughout the program. A variable is essentially a container that holds a value, which can be of different types, depending on the data being stored. C++ supports several different data types, including integers, floating point numbers, characters, and Boolean values. Each data type has its own unique characteristics and uses. For example, integers are used to represent whole numbers, while floating point numbers are used to represent decimal values with greater precision. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used in C++ to perform mathematical calculations on variables. The most common arithmetic operators are addition plus, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These operators follow the same order of operations as in mathematics, with multiplication and division being performed before addition and subtraction. In addition to these basic operators, C++ also provides other arithmetic operators such as modulus, which returns the remainder of a division operation, and increment and decrement, which add or subtract one from a variable's value. It is important to remember that arithmetic operators can only be used on variables of the same data type. Assignment operators. In C++, you can assign a value to a variable using the assignment operator equals. For example, you can assign the value 10 to a variable called num like this, num equals 10. The value on the right side of the operator is assigned to the variable on the left side. There are also several other types of assignment operators available in C++, such as plus equals, and equals. These operators combine an arithmetic operation with an assignment operation. For example, the operator plus equals adds the value on the right side to the variable on the left side and then assigns the result back to the variable. So, if num has a value of 5, num plus equals 3 would add 3 to num and assign the result 8 back to num. Logical operators. Logical operators are used to evaluate conditions and make decisions in C++. There are three main logical operators, an and, or, and, not. The and operator returns true if both operands are true, while the or operator returns true if either operand is true. The not operator is used to reverse the value of a Boolean expression. Logical operators are commonly used in if statements and loops to control program flow based on certain conditions. Type conversion and casting. Type conversion, also known as typecasting, is the process of converting a value from one data type to another in C++. This can be done implicitly or explicitly. Implicit type conversion occurs when the compiler automatically converts one data type to another. For example, if you assign an int to a float variable, the int will be implicitly converted to a float. Explicit type conversion, on the other hand, requires the use of casting operators to convert between data types.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.